Hey there, what's up? Today let us learn how to type a basic document in HTML. So first you have to type the tags. Where? So you have to open Notepad in your computer or laptop. Once you open it, in angle brackets type HTML. So these are the angle brackets. This is the opening tag and the another tag is the closing tag. So closing tag starts with angle bracket, then slash, and then again HTML and close it. So whatever you type in the HTML document will be typed only between these two tags, okay? And other tags can also come between these tags. Those tags are called nested tags, okay? Now let us type some nested tags. First, we will type the head part. Now type head in angle brackets. After typing head, you have to type title in angle bracket again. Now you have to type the title of the document. I will show you later in the result where does the title appear on the screen. So I will give the title as my first web page. You can try it in your computer or laptop. Now it's important that you close the title tag too. Okay, we also have to close the head tag. Yes, now the head part is finished. Now let's go to the body part. Again type body in angle brackets. Okay, now you have to type the content which you want to show in your body part. So I will basically type hey there, this is my new web page. Now let's close the body tag. Check for spellings and errors before saving the document and take care that you do not leave space between the tags or space means inside the element, the angle brackets, there should be no space like so see here body. You should not type like this. It should be like in this format, okay?